Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine. Kids, today I will teach you English. Kids, today in English you all will do worksheet of sound of A. बच्चों आज आप सब इंग्लिश में साउंड ऑफ ए की वर्कशीट करेंगे. इन दिस वर्कशीट यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ गिवन पिक्चर्स. मीन्स इन दिस वर्कशीट आपको साउंड ऑफ ए से रिलेटेड जो होंगे पिक्चर्स दे रखी होंगी, तो आपको उसका नेम लिखना है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. What do you have to write? We have to write the name of given pictures which is related to sound of A. Okay? Sound of A से related pictures होंगी, हमें उनके name लिखना है. Let's start. Which picture is this? This is a picture of. Which picture is this? This is a picture of fan. So we will write fan, and fan is related with sound of A. F-A-N, fan. And these all pictures are related to sound of A. So F-A and fan. We will write two times F A and fan. Next picture is of cat. Now we will write the spelling of cat. What is the spelling of cat? C-A-T, cat. अब हम किसकी स्पेलिंग लिखेंगे? कैट की. कैट की स्पेलिंग क्या होती है? C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Next picture is of ball. What is the spelling of ball, kids? B-A-L-L, ball. What is the spelling of ball? B-A-L-L, ball. Now we will write the spelling of ball. Ball की spelling क्या होती है? B-A-L-L, ball. क्या होती है? B-A-L-L, ball. Wow. Next picture is of hand. Do you know the spelling of hand? No, I will tell you the spelling of hand. What is the spelling of hand? H-A-N-D, hand. What is the spelling of hand? H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Hand की spelling क्या है? H-A-N-D, hand. What is the next picture? Next picture is of tap. What is the next picture? Tap. Now we will write the spelling of tap. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. Now we will write more names also. Okay. What is this? Which picture is this? This is a picture of mat. This is a picture of mat. And what is the spelling of mat? M-A-T, mat. What is the spelling of mat? M-A-T, mat. Which picture is this? This is a picture of rat. किसकी picture है ये? Rat की. So now we will write the spelling of rat. तो हम किसकी spelling लिखेंगे? Rat की. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Next picture is of hat. H-A-T, hat. What is the spelling of hat? H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Now next picture is of, ये क्या है? Do you know which picture is this? This is a picture of wall. Wall माने दीवार. ये दीवार की picture है. What is the spelling of wall? W-A-L-L, wall. What is the spelling of wall? W-A-L-L, wall. W-A-L-L, wall. W-A-L-L, wall. Which picture is this? This is a picture of jam. Which picture is this? This is a picture of jam. I know everybody likes jam. ये picture किस चीज़ की है? Jam की. सबको jam पसंद है ना? Now we write the spelling of jam. J-A-M, jam. J-A-M, jam. So kids, today you all will do this worksheet. Thank you.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ एडू फन क्लासेस। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।